This video is about the PL edit on your FANUC control with manual guide eye. I think PL stands for program list, but I'm not really that sure. But anyway, it's called PL. And it allows you to open multiple programs and then switch between them with these windows. So you can open another window and then subsequently open another program. So this means it's really easy to copy and paste and move sections of program between different programs. So it makes the whole process of creating a program much easier. You can easily move stuff around, and if you link that with the fixed form capability of this control, it makes for some pretty powerful editing. This video also covers the background edit feature in Guide Eye, and it also covers Keypaste, what's called Keypaste. You'll see this button that says Keypaste. And Keypaste gives you the ability to copy something like a comment. So you go over this comment and then press Keypaste, and it puts it down in the command line, sorry. And then you can edit it before you then insert it back into the program. So you could take a comment, put it down in the command line, and then paste it somewhere else. It'll still exist in the program where you took it out, but it's quite a useful feature. You need to play around with it a bit to see. So enjoy the video. You're in the edit mode and you're going to cursor across until you see PL edit. You just have to, there it is, yeah, press that, yep. And now what you can do now is if you go to the O list, where it says O list, yeah, and then just pick any program. And then just when you press input, you can open it. You can press open. Either. Right. Either one will work. If you press input, you press the input button, that will do it. If you press the open button. And then, so now you've opened that program on that side. If you switch sides by using that SCLE button, yeah. And then if you now go O list, you can just open something else. One. Yeah. And that's open on that side. Now, if you wanted to open a third program, all you do is press the Win Open, that one there, yeah, and that gives you another window. And then if you move your select button to actually select that window over here, yeah, now you're actually in that window. No, you're not. Go again, yeah. Now you're in it.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, it's that one, the blue one.
Yeah.
If you go again, yeah,
there you go.
Yeah. And now if you press your O list, that will take you in and you can open a third program. Press it again. Oh, can't open display. Try a different one.
Yeah. So do it first.
Yeah.
There we go.
So that's your third program open. Now, the window close is the one that you've selected. So if you were to select a different window, you could then actually close that window and retain those two. So between that, you've got, and if you were to cursor down to some code, you could then copy that. You could then use your cut and copy it, and then switch windows and put it in there.
Right.
And then when you're fed up of doing that, all you do is just go across there until you see PLN. And that's it, PLN, right on the right there.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the one. And that takes you back to how you were.
Yeah.
And then your background edit, switch to program, you're in program mode.
Right.
That's where it manifests, okay? And then you'll see it. Background edit.
Yeah.
And then you can just open up anything you want. So cursor down to a part and press your input key or your open key, any one you want. Yeah. And now it will say you're in background edit. And then you can run your main program while that's running. To get out of that, come across here and we'll see a button that says background end. There, yeah, BGN. And it also comes out, as I said to you before, if you switch modes, it will automatically come out, which it didn't used to do. So that's quite good, really. So that's your background edit. So the other thing I was going to show you is the Keypaste. So you see where that says blank form? cursor down to blank form, just here, yeah.
Yeah.
And then when you press your key paste, that puts that down on the buffer, and you could then come along, yeah, use your buttons, and you can alter that comment.
Yeah.
And then when you actually press the alter button, it would alter that to whatever you'd put in.
Right.
So that key paste is a really, really useful thing. Just don't forget it's there, because obviously that is in your buffer now, so you could actually actually write it in somewhere. You can also use that to copy a comment, because just come across, and let's just cancel that for a second. So we cancel that. If we, for example, go to this blank form and then we just say key paste, if we cursor down, you could then press your insert to put that in there. See what I mean? So you can use it as a way of just quickly following, quickly copying a comment.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's quite a useful feature to have.